warming up your body like this. Okay, upper part of the body का already आपने हल्का सा कर लिया है. Now start with the trunk, mid part of the body, trunk. How you perform like this? First left side, then right side, left side, right side. Like this, you will perform 5 times both the sides, right side as well as left side. आप सभी बच्चों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप लोग साथ साथ करते रहिए, सिर्फ देखना नहीं है बेटा, आपको साथ में करना भी है. दिस इज अ प्रैक्टिस सेशन फॉर इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ योगा व्हेन यू परफॉर्म ऑन 21st June. नाउ मिड पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी का हो गया. नाउ वी गो फॉर द लोअर पार्ट, दैट इज नी. Hands just in front of your body. Now slowly you will bend your knee like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. अप एंड डाउन दोनों मिला के बेटा ये 5 हो गए ना. नाउ दिस इज द वार्मिंग अप session before performing asana. Now we start yogasana. Before start yogasana, we'll go for prayer. Before start the asana, we'll perform for prayer. Now, first of all, I request all of you to please join your hands, just like a prayer. We are performing prayer during school hours in our morning assembly. So join your hands. Keep just in front of your chest. Okay. What you'll do? Along with me, repeat the prayer first. Just wait for a while, Beta. God request you to please wait for a while.
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग
गुड
मैम.
मॉर्निंग मैम.
मैम ये सर है. योगा की क्लास में मैम करवाती हैं।
नहीं, सर करा रहे हैं।
आज सर
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
सर करा रहे हैं। सर कैमरा और माइक बंद है।
Sir, camera is off. The camera is off.
सर कैमरा सर ने खुद से कैमरा बंद किया है।
Sir, camera is off.
Yes, you can begin now. Okay. First of all, once again, sorry for the interruption. Now, we will start. We have already performed. So, we have already performed some exercise before performing your asanas. Now, I request all of you to please perform asanas also instead of watching along with me. Now, first of all, before we start asana, you all are requested to please join your hands, just like a prayer. And before we start asana, we go for prayer, yoga prayer. Start. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Tarvavahe Tejasvinavadhitamastu Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Now slowly release your hands by the side of the body. Now we will start first from Tadasana. Tadasana. Actually, in Tadasana, there are different variations because you people are the brain children. So we will start from the beginning or the first stage of Tadasana. In Tadasana, first of all, I request you all to please have a sufficient gap of half or 1 feet as per your body physical construction of the body. So please open your toes wide apart like this, then hands by the side of your body. Slowly you will raise your both the hands like this. Start like this. You will slowly raise your hand up to the shoulder level, as well as your breathing should be normal, or you can inhale also. Now slowly raise your hand up, raise your hand up like this. Slowly raise your hand up. Okay. And try to maintain this position. No need to close your eyes. No need to close your eyes and no extra movement. Just maintain this position and try to come on close and stretch your body as much as you can. Slowly stretch your body like
Good
this.
morning, ma'am.
Stretch your body up and your elbow is straight like this. Now slowly come back. Slowly come back. Along with your hands, your heels should also in rest position. So once again, I request you all to please raise heel as well as your hands together and stretch your body as much as you can. Once again, like this. Once again, be ready. Okay? Okay. Feet apart up to 1 foot or half foot and start. Slowly you will perform asanas, Tadasana. This is called as Tadasana, or it is also called as palm tree pose, palm tree pose, or mountain pose. And slowly stretch your body up as much as you can. And once again, maintain this position for a while. Slowly come back like this. Very गुड बेटा, शाबाश, बहुत कुछ बच्चे बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं, वेरी गुड, दैट्स गुड, वेरी गुड. Now, so this is called as Tadasana. One variation in Tadasana, because you people are the beginners, so I request you all to please perform this Tadasana with one hand first. This is called as Tadasana first. Then Tadasana second with both the hands. And there is also one variation that I will tell you later on. Okay? How you will perform with one hand, like from the side also. I just want to show you like this. Feet apart, okay? And then again you start. Slowly raise your hands like this. Look front, concentrate towards the one point, and slowly after this position, raise your body up, raise your heel up, raise your arms up, and slowly you will stretch your body as much as you can stretch your body up. Stretch your body. Okay, that's good. Like this, maintain the position, and once again, come back slowly, very slowly. You have to come back and concentrate towards the one point, like this. Hands again by the side of the body. So, कुछ बच्चे अभी कर रहे हैं, very good, बहुत अच्छी बात है. Okay, so this is called as बेटा ताड़ासन, है ना? अब ताड़ासन के कुछ फायदे भी हैं, especially for you people, those who are studying in class from class 6 to 10. It helps to grow up, है ना? ये आपको बहुत मदद करता है लंबा होने में. आप टॉल जल्दी हो जाएंगे, जल्दी बड़े हो जाएंगे, ठीक है? Now, this is called as Tadasana. Now, the second asana is called as Ardha Kati Chakrasana. Ardha Kati Chakrasana. In this position also, what you will do? Same standing. Today I am performing all standing asanas only, so that it is easy for you to perform all asanas. First, what you will do? Slowly you will open your legs. Medium stance you can take. You can take medium stance. ज़्यादा कम भी नहीं लेना है और ज़्यादा भी नहीं लेना है. There you will feel comfortable position. ज़्यादा पैर नहीं खोलना है तो आपको बेटा दिक्कत भी होगी, है ना? इतना बस. So this is the position, medium stance before performing Ardha Kati Chakrasana. In this position, hands by the side of the body like this, and while performing Ardha Kati Chakrasana or any asana, there is a system to take inhalation as well as exhalation. But you people are the beginners, so I request you all that your breathing should be normal. No need for the following specific one. Okay? So this is the stance position before performing Ardha Kati Chakrasana. Open your legs up to medium stance like this. Now, first you will raise your both the arms together with inhalation. In advanced stage, inhalation. But you are beginners, so you can perform normally breathing you can take. So first we'll do start. Slowly raise your hand, very slow, should not be fast. You cannot perform very fast, like this, up to shoulder level. You have to maintain this position. After this, what you will do, slowly you will turn your hands like this and palms facing towards the ceiling, towards the sky. Those who are performing outside. Okay? Palms should facing towards the ceiling. Now, slowly you will bend towards your left side without bending your knees. Please keep this thing in your mind. And your breathing should be normal. And both the arms will bend. Will start bending towards the left side. You bend.
Sir,
Sir, your video is paused.
Your video is paused.
Your
Yes, sir, your video is paused.
आवाज नहीं आ रही और your video stop.
Just video is stop.
यार बच्चे देख लो।
Your video is paused and your voice is also paused.
80 बच्चा क्लास में।
Sir, you are paused. Sir, you are paused.
पूरे स्कूल
सर यार स्क्रीन इज भाई खुद को भी तो काउंट कर। ये तो पहली क्लास है जिसमें 75 स्टूडेंट्स आए हैं। बस 7 क्लास वाले भी हैं क्या?
अबे इसमें पूरे स्कूल है जो 6 से लेके 10 तक।
भाई पूरा स्कूल लिटरली
6 से लेके 10 तक
बच्चे। पूरे स्कूल में सिर्फ 77 बच्चे। 10 का बच्चा आ गया।
कोई ज्वाइन नहीं हुआ। 10th वाले बहुत ज्यादा है।
आज तो 100 से ऊपर गया पक्का।
कोई नहीं
भैया तो 7
वाले नहीं है, जूनियर ग्रुप के आए।
आ जाओ आ जाओ। 80 बच्चे तो अभी से ही हो गए।
अरे सर को पहले से पता है।
Due to network issue, there is a pause while performing this asana. Now I request you all, please once again start this asana that we are performing Ardha Kati Chakrasana. Once again, I am performing in front of you all, so you all are requested to please perform. Okay. First, you will open your legs up to medium stance. Then slowly you will.
Sir, your mic is off.
Okay. Not to speak in I request you all the students, please don't say anything on your mic and request to open your camera. क्योंकि बेटा from class 6 onwards to 10th onwards meeting is going on. सिर्फ ये class 6 या 7th या 8th नहीं चल रही है, इसमें class 6 से लेकर के 10th तक के बच्चे सभी लोग शामिल हैं। मेरा आपसे अनुरोध है कि आप लोग माइक पे कुछ ना बोलें और आप सभी लोग अपने कैमरास को ओपन कर लीजिए, क्योंकि आपकी बेटा फोटो भी आ रही है साथ में, है ना। तो आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप कैमरा ऑन कर लीजिए और माइक को एकदम ऑन मत करिए, सिर्फ हमारी बातें सुनिए और साथ ही साथ आप अपने आसन को परफॉर्म करते रहिए। ओके, वंस अगेन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ardha kati chakrasana। वेरी गुड, आप लोगों ने बहुत सारे बच्चों ने कैमरा खोल दिया। प्लीज ओपन योर कैमरास। ओके, now keep performing. And also I request you all that I am demonstrating in front of you, but you have to perform also as well, है ना। सिर्फ खड़े होकर देखना नहीं है, मेरे साथ साथ आप सभी बच्चों को करना भी है। देखने को तो आप बेटा इंटरनेट पे भी सब कुछ देख सकते हैं, है ना, लेकिन आपको मेरे साथ करना है। ओके, और हम आप सब लोगों की फोटो भी खींच रहे हैं, इसलिए आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप सब लोग इन आसन को करिए। कैमरा ऑन कर दीजिए, आपकी फोटो आएगी तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, स्कूल की मैगजीन में छपेगी, हर चीज होगा बेटा। प्लीज ओपन योर कैमरा एंड परफॉर्म आसना इंस्टेड ऑफ डूइंग अननेसेसरी मूवमेंट्स। ओके, नाउ once again we start Ardha Kati Chakrasana. Open your legs or you take medium stance and take slowly open your shoulder up to shoulder level. Both raise your hands up to shoulder level. After that, slowly you will bend towards your left side and bend towards your left side. Both the knees should be straight. And while performing this Ardha Kati Chakrasana, slowly you will bend literally from the side of your body. You are not supposed to bend from forward or backward. And slowly turn your palm and left hand by the side of your body and try to hold your shin bone and turn your neck towards the ceiling and try to watch your thumb, right thumb, and try to maintain this position. No need to bend forward, no need to bend backward, and take at least 2 to 3 breathing normally. Concentrate slowly, and then while coming, no need to jump, because in yoga you have to perform very slow. Now what you will do, while coming back, slowly bend your left knee like this and come back very slow, like this, and slow. Hands by the side of your body up to shoulder. From this position, once again, come back like this. Dear students, there is a system, there is a provision of inhalation as well as exhalation while performing asana. But you people are the beginners, so I request you to please inhale and exhale normally without taking deep breathing, without taking deep exhalation. Okay, so this is called as Ardha Chakrasana. That I have already performed left side. Now I request you to perform right side. How? Start. Let's remain in the same position. Now slowly raise your hand once again up to shoulder level, like this. And then this time you will perform right side. Means आपको right side bend करना, without bending your knees. You will bend towards the right side. साथ ही कुछ very good, कुछ बच्चे बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं. Please open your cameras. Now slowly bend your sideward bending, like this. Sideward bending, sideward bending. Then left hand by the side of your body and neck, you will face towards your ceiling and you will watch, you will concentrate towards your left thumb and try to touch your shin bone if you can and try to maintain this position. जहां तक आप बेटा जा सकते हो वहां तक जाओ. जरूरी नहीं है कि आप पूरे कंधे को छुओ, टोज को छुओ, but maintain the position. Take 2 or 3 breathing at least and try to maintain this position. While coming back, bend your right leg like this, slowly with the help of your bending knees. Again come back in this position, like this. Slowly, hands down, like this. So this is called as Ardha Chakrasana. This is called as Ardha Chakrasana. Now once again, because due to network problem, once again we will repeat both the Tadasana as well as Ardha Chakrasana. First Ardha Chakrasana. Okay? In this position, open your legs, take medial stance up to this. After that, slowly raise both the hands like this, up, like this. Once again, maintain the position like this. Very good. Now this time you will perform left side. Please open your cameras. Very good. Inhale. Bend literally from the side like this. Turn your palm towards ceiling. Turn your neck and concentrate towards the right thumb and try to bend as much as you can and hold your shin bone. Hold your shin bone if you can and don't bend forward as well as backward. Try to maintain this position and take at least 2 to 3 inhalation as well as exhalation. Slowly bend your left leg and slowly come back like this. Like this, you come back. Very good. Now hands goes down like this. This time, right side you will perform. Let's remain in the same position. Once again, start. Slowly raise your hand. Very good, beta. Please open your camera. Now bend like this. Once again. Turn your neck. Hold your right shin. Literally bend and try to look towards the ceiling and concentrate towards the left thumb. Like this. Again, bend your right leg and slowly come back like this. Hands by the side of your body once again and come back in normal standing posture. Now, this time we perform Tadasana with one hand first because you are the beginners. But in Tadasana, we have to perform with both the hands. You are the beginners, that's why we perform first with one hand. How? Now take normal stance position with 1 foot apart. Okay? Hands by the side of your body. When I will say start, you will also start. Okay? With one hand. First we perform with right hand. Start. Slowly you will raise your right hand like this. Start, beta. Very good. तुम बच्चे बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। हाँ, यस सर। Slowly you will raise your heel also because you are beginners. Slowly raise. अरे very good, good बच्चे लोग वाकई में बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं, शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा, आप तो सर से भी अच्छा ज्यादा कर रहे हैं, very good. Now try to stretch your body up. Stretch your spine as much as you can. Spine को खींचेंगे तो आप जल्दी बड़े हो जाएंगे, है ना? Okay. Now slowly come back like this, as well as heel will also come down. Heel will also come down. Hands also come down and come in normal standing posture. बहुत अच्छे, कुछ लड़के लड़कियां बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं, शाबाश बेटा. Now you perform with left hand. Same like this. Actually, this Tadasana especially meant for the beginner, but I'm performing with one hand, like this. Now you can raise. जब हम दोनों हाथ से करेंगे तो दोनों एक साथ रहेंगे. अभी आप beginners हैं, try to maintain this position as much as you can. Very good. Try to maintain this position as much as you can. Slowly come back. Slowly come back. Try to maintain this position like this. Okay, very good. Now this time with both the hands. And while performing Tadasana, your heel and hand should go together. You should stretch your body up as much as you can. Now, take position once again with both the hands. Hands by the side of your body. Take deep inhalation, those who can perform. Otherwise, breathing should be normal. Okay? Breathing should be normal. Slowly, what you will do, hands also, raise your hands also, and try to stretch your body as much as you can, and try to maintain this position for a while. Try to maintain this position for a while, like this. Slowly come back. Slowly come back, like this. Slowly come back. Once again, start. Very slow. Perform, but all asanas should be performed very slow. Because this is asana, this is not exercise where you will judge your body movement. No. Very slowly you will raise your heel. Maintain this position and concentrate towards one point. Then only you can balance your body. And this Tadasana always helps to grow up you, and it will also help to regulate your blood pressure. Slowly come back. So today we have already performed two asanas, that is Tadasana as well as Ardha Chakrasana. Now, today, the Trikonasana we have performed. Now, next is we will perform Trikonasana. Okay, beta? Okay, instead of Trikonasana, we will perform Ardha Chakrasana. It is easy. ये ज़्यादा आसान रहेगा. ठीक है बेटा? So, first what you will do? You will perform same. You will stand properly. The hands by the side of the body, to the side. First of all, I will demonstrate you all from the side so that it is easy for you to stand properly. Okay? Like this. Look front. In this position, like this. कमर पे आप हाथ रख लेंगे. ठीक है? इसके बाद आप क्या करेंगे? You will slowly lift palms. You will put just above your butt muscles like this, and slowly you will bend your upper part of the body, back side, as well as your neck. You will bend towards the back side, and your mouth should be closed, means your upper jaw as well as your lower jaw should be meet together. Now, start along with me. This is the starting position. Now take position. Okay, like this. Stretch your body up as much as you can, like this. It's fine. And slowly bend your upper body. Drop your neck down, and also you are requested to please maintain for a while. Slowly come back. Again, release your hands down. And to counter this part, you are requested to please bend forward also, just for a few seconds. This is the counter part of this particular Ardha Chakrasana. Now once again, by the side, hands by the side of the body. Once again, we perform same. Very good. कुछ बच्चे वाकई में बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं. हम सबसे भी ज़्यादा अच्छा कर रहे हैं आप बच्चे. Very good बेटा. That's good. Now from the front, this time you will say like this. Take a stance. Keep your palms above the butt muscles. Now you will bend. First you will stretch your body up, stretch your spine, and slowly bend your upper part of the body. And drop your neck and close your mouth for a while. पर जितना कर सकते हैं उतना ही जाइए. Slowly come back. जट के साथ नहीं आना है, बहुत धीरे धीरे आना है बेटा. Very good. शाबाश. अरे वाह, कुछ बच्चे तो वाकई में बहुत अच्छे. That's good. Okay. Once again, we go from the counter part. ताकि पीछे हमारा कमर को एकदम दर्द महसूस ना हो. Again, go from the counter part, from forward bending. These are the three asanas we have performed. Once again, we will go for division of all three asanas. That is Tadasana, Ardha Chakrasana, and the third one is Trikonasana. Okay? All three asanas performed. Okay? First, once again, we go for the revision. We go for repetition. Okay? Take position everybody. Very good. कुछ बच्चे तो बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं. हमसे भी ज़्यादा अच्छा कर रहे हैं बच्चे. बहुत अच्छा. Okay. Take position for Tadasana now. This time we will perform with both the hands. Okay? We will not perform with single hand. We will perform with both the hands. Okay? Take position. Toes at least 1 foot apart on the body. There should be gap. Hands by the side of the body. Now slowly you will concentrate towards the one point just in front of you. Concentrate in one point. Slowly raise your hand up. Slowly raise your hand up. Raise your heel up. Raise your heel up. Raise your heel up. Raise your heel up. Stretch your body up. Stretch your body up. As much as you can, stretch your body and try to maintain the position. Try to maintain the position. Try to maintain the position. Very good. Slowly come back. Slowly come back. Open your cameras. Open your cameras. Slowly come back. हील और हाथ दोनों साथ साथ जमीन पे आना चाहिए. Very good. हील और हाथ साथ साथ जमीन पर आना चाहिए. Very good. Once again we perform. Once again. यहाँ पर एक चीज और कहना चाहूँगा. यहाँ पर एक चीज और कहना चाहूँगा कि कुछ बच्चे इंटरलॉक फिंगर्स यहाँ पे इंटरलॉक करके ऐसे ताड़ासन करते हैं. हम इस प्रकार भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन ये एक थोड़ा सा एडवांस स्टेज है ना. अभी हम जो कर रहे हैं वो आप सब लोगों के लिए कर रहे हैं, because you all are the beginners. Okay? Okay. Once again, we perform Tadasana. Slowly raise your hand up, 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 up to shoulder level. Very good. Now, from this position, stretch your body, raise your heel, as well as raise your hands. Start. Very good. Very good. Stretch your body and hands by the side of your both the ears. both the ear, दोनों कानों में आपके राइट और लेफ्ट बाइसेप्स टच होना चाहिए. Very good, very good. Maintain the position. Concentrate towards one point. Slowly come back. Once again, slowly come back. Slowly come back. हाथ और हील दोनों साथ साथ आना चाहिए. Very good, very good. Shabash. Now, this is called as Tadasana. Now we perform once again, that is Ardha Chakrasana. Ardha Chakrasana from the side, ताकि आपको आसानी से नजर आ जाए कि हमें करना क्या है. ठीक है. In this position बेटा आपके जो palms है, जो हाथ है, वो आपके just button muscles के ऊपर रहेंगे to support your back. अपने कमर को सपोर्ट देने के लिए जरूरी है ना. Okay. Take stance. Take stance like this. Hands by the side of the body. Very good. Okay. Start. Means first you will hold your weight like this. Keep your palm to the upper side of the button muscles and slowly bend your upper part of the body. Neck. Drop your neck. Join your upper and lower jaw and try to maintain this position. This is called as Ardha Chakrasana. Please maintain for a while. Slowly come back. Slowly come back. Very good. And slowly drop your hands down. Very good. And to counter this exercise, once again go for forward bending. ये हम इसलिए जरूरी है बच्चा क्योंकि कमर में किसी के दर्द नहीं होना चाहिए, है ना. Okay. Once again, same Ardha Chakrasana. Take position. Feet apart. Hands by the side of the thighs. And slowly start. Like this. Like this. Keep your palms. Ready? Start. Slowly bend. Maintain this position. So this is called as Ardha Chakrasana. Now we'll perform Trikonasana. Third one is, okay? Today we are performing all standing postures only, all standing asanas only. Okay, beta? Please open your cameras. कैमरा खोल लीजिए सब लोग, क्योंकि मुझसे भी ज्यादा अच्छा आप बच्चे कर रहे हैं. मैं देख रहा हूँ, मुझे तभी पता चलेगा जब आप कैमरा खोलेंगे, है ना. बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं बेटा आप सब लोग. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. Okay, now in Trikonasana, first you will do take stance. Open your legs up to medium stance, like this. ज्यादा नहीं खोलना है, बहुत ज्यादा नहीं खोलना आपको, like this, और बहुत कम भी नहीं खोलना है ना. Look at, you can maintain the position of the body, like this. Okay? Very good. After this, okay, after this what you will do, we will go for, sorry, we are performing Ardha Chakrasana. Okay, now start. Slowly raise your both the hands up to shoulder level. Very good, very good. Shabash. After this, turn your palm like this. Okay, now first you will perform towards your right side. Towards your right side. So bend literally from the side, not forward, not backward. Okay? Try to bend, turn your left like this and try to hold your shin bone if you can. And turn your neck as well and look towards the ceiling and try to concentrate towards the left thumb. And maintain this position for a while for at least 2 to 3 breathing. And while coming back, bend your right leg little bit like this. Slowly come back. Again, turn like this. and again come back, hands down. Very good, बेटा बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं आप लोग. Okay, once again, opposite side. Again, you start. Slowly raise your hand up to shoulder level. Bend. एक साथ. Very good. Maintain this position. Slowly come back. Like this. Very good. Come back in normal position. Now, before ending this class, I request you all, before performing all asanas, we request you please, whenever you perform this asanas, your uniform should be loose. There should be a sufficient space while performing this asanas. And you are also requested to perform, whenever you perform this asana, your stomach should be empty. Because except Vajrasana, no asanas are supposed to be performed with me or after me. So all asanas should be performed in an empty stomach, except Vajrasana. Now, we'll close this session, and I request you all, please, once again, end with prayer. So, please join your hands, everybody. Please join your hands like this, just like a prayer. Very good. Close your eyes and start prayer, as I have already spoken before starting the asana. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanam Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavadhitamastu Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. मुझे आज आप लोगों के साथ योगा प्रैक्टिस सेशन करने में बहुत अच्छा लगा और मैं देख रहा हूँ कि बहुत सारे बच्चे आज इस क्लास को ज्वाइन किया है आप लोगों ने, और बहुत ही अच्छा, बहुत ही सुंदर, शायद आप लोगों ने मुझसे भी ज्यादा अच्छे से किया है. तो मैं आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, जब भी बेटा ये योगा सेशन होगा आप लोग इसको परफॉर्म करेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच एवरीबॉडी. टेक केयर एंड नाउ यू कैन ज्वाइन योर क्लासेस आल्सो. ओके, अब आप लोग अपनी